Day 3. Breakfast at an airfield. See some planes take off. You actually go look at some planes probably too. That'd be cool. All right. The airplane? Look at the airplane. That's cool, huh? After we eat, we can walk over there. We can go to the fence and see them a little closer. Hey, Henry. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
It might have been to one of them. It was. Maybe it wasn't. But I put that one in my phone. It was. It was right after the Shockies container, I think. We'll do a nice. Here's a trance.
What a way to come in and land. Jesus. He just banked it and landed. There it goes.
No, I think she's just
Hey Henry, look at the see the airplanes? You don't really care right now.
Should we put Henry on one alone to see what happens?
Lost it. I lost it. There it is.
Aeroplane.
We have Sunday school.
There he goes. You wanna? Say airplanes! Airplane go boom!
Why? You want to go to a christening?
Oh, there's another airplane taking off. This is the one we seen land. Biplane. Go for a ride. Cool, huh?
What's stopping you?
Enter only with the permission of the time I
Find that plane again.
In the store, and if you do like a special thing.
Henry, you wanna see some alpacas?
Thank you.
Ready, Henry? They're 150 pounds. 3 feet. They weigh about as much as Dad. They're easy to care for. We should get an alpaca.
I saw that.
They don't like dogs, though. I can see Nola and Tommy having an issue with the alpaca. What do you think, Henry? Those are all the names. All the males, all the females. We have anyone about name?
You gotta hold my hand,
No.
buddy.
Come on, Henry. Don't play in the dirt. Let's go!
Don't eat the dirt.
Hello, Mr. Alpaca. How are you today? Just hanging out. Eating some grass. No big deal. Oh, look at all those alpacas! All different colors.
Look at all of them. Oh, they're so cute.
How you doing? Can you say hi? Hey! You guys know Nola? Yeah? Can you say hi, Mr. Alpaca?
Here they all come.
They're all coming to say hi.
Hey guys.
You guys know Nola?
Oh my god, y'all are so cute.
Do you know Nola?
It's like super thick.
Yeah.
Feels like
They say it's stronger than wool.
Carpet.
Ooh.
Yeah, or wool.
Hey, can you say hi?
Okay.
Do you speak Alpacan? Oh, he's so cute. Yeah? Yeah? Are you talking to him? Yeah. You get excited?
Oh, you know what?
Yeah, you already have
They
some drugs. Why
hum
not?
too.
Look at Auntie. Coconut. Cokie.
No, I'm playing the
Coconut.
Oh my goodness, look at you guys.
You see them all, buddy? Aren't they cute?
Okay, you want to see Bud?
Oh, you can't really see through the plastic, huh? There's the baby and the mama.
You feel like you had dogs, but they won't jump on you.
That one over there, like if you don't see its head,
think it's Tommy?
it looked like a yellow lab. Oh my god, I see sweaters in there. I've been waiting for this moment.
Anika. Anika.
That one looked up when you called it.
Is it a baby?
Like little lips are going.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye!